Hey loves, welcome back to my channel. For those of you who don't know me, my name is Katia. For those of you who do, welcome back. So for today's video, it's been a little while since I did a thrift flip for you. I ended up finding 3 pieces and decided to revamp, make them a little bit more my style, a little bit more cohesive with the rest of my house. But the cool thing is that I ended up getting the new Cricut Joy Extra, and so I was able to design, make it a little bit more unique and fun, and I am so happy. If you don't know about the new Cricut Joy Extra, you need it. It is so cute and it's compact and it doesn't take space in your house. It allows you to get creative and have fun and do things for waterproof. You can print things on t-shirts, on different types of fabrics. It's so endless. I'll talk a little bit more about the Cricut, but first let's get right into the first DIY. I ended up finding this sort of statuette with a circle on the top, and there's something that was speaking to me. I immediately saw the potential. It had scratches, wasn't the right color, and it wasn't the look that I was going for. So I ended up going on the Cricut app and finding the perfect design, got a little creative with it, and from that point on, knew what I was gonna do. So let's jump right into the first DIY. Enjoy. Okay, so before we get into the second thrift flip, I want to talk more about the Cricut Joy Extra. What's great about this machine is that it works with easy to use apps to help design and personalize almost any custom cards, unique apparel, everyday items, and so much more. Cricut requires no experience, so it's for everybody. It's for you, it's for me, it's for everyone who wants to create beautiful things. It's definitely affordable, it's worth the investment. If you're someone like me who loves to create or to start a small business, business, this is a great little machine to have. You can create candles, you can create your own logos, your tags, your name tags, all of that fun stuff. So if you're looking for the perfect little machine, this is the one. Cricut Design Space is a free software that is easy to learn. So like I said, it's for everybody. The materials are high quality. It allows you to cut things that are very precise and that make things look luxurious and expensive, as if you got it professionally done. Anyway, let's jump right into the second DIY. For my second one, I had found a base of a lamp, went to Winners, ended up finding a lampshade that was in the liquidation center. I thought the base of the lamp was already beautiful. I didn't think I needed to touch that, but I wanted to make it a little bit different, fun and quirky and unique. So I decided to use the vinyl again, but use it as a stencil paint on top of the lampshade. I am so happy of how it turned out. I hope you love it as much as I do. It has this mud cloth look and vibe. That's what I was going for. You know, that's my style, that's my house, that's what I love. I love mixing pieces together, making them work as one. Let's jump right into the second thrift flip. Enjoy. So for my last thrift flip, I end up finding this really cute little bench. It had a tacky vibe to it. I hate saying that because the person that probably painted it before did a beautiful job. It was just not my thing. So I wanted to bring it back to its natural and original wood, and then obviously stain it and keep it pretty simple. But I decided to do this little design on the top, which I thought added a little extra to the stool. I love it. I think it's perfect. I end up putting it, I don't know if you can see, it's sort of in the back there where the cactuses are. I had smaller pots, so I end up putting a little pot on top to give it a little bit of height. So let's jump right into the third flip. So that is it. I hope you enjoyed this video. Comment down below, let me know which piece is your favorite. You know, I love to hear that. And thank you all so much for watching. Thank you for your thumbs up. So I will see you in my next video. I love you guys. Mwah. Bye.